Hi, I'm Ellie. I'm a podiatrist, and today I am talking to you about how to use the TWH nail corrector file. Now, this is a unique product in that there's not something else that you can easily buy quite like it, but it's actually something that podiatrists use every single day. It's made from professional grade stainless steel, so it's very easy to clean and very easy to use, and it's perfect for removing any or filing any sharp edges around the side of the nail. You can slightly round the tip of the nail with it, and you can use it to remove any dirt or debris from around the side of the nail. And as podiatrists, one of the most common things we see with people that can cause discomfort or even a poor appearance of the nail is a buildup of hard skin and dirt around the side of the nail, simply from the pressure of the nail on the skin. Now, the nail corrector file is double-ended, and so there's a small pointed file on the end of each side of the tool, which makes it really easy to flip between hands and use to achieve the desired effect.